Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn General Knowledge GK, page 41. Brilliant minds. Tick the correct options. Invented by Alexander Graham Bell, it is an important means of communication. The right answer is telephone. Maximilian of Scotland invented this two-wheeled pedal-driven vehicle in 1839, bicycle. American real estate developer was invented the windshield wiper, Mary Anderson. This invention of Johannes Gutenberg made it possible to print pages quickly. The answer is printing press. In 1714, this German psychologist developed mercury thermometer, Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. The scientist first discovered that the earth revolves around the sun, Nicholas Copernicus. English carpenter, clockmaker invented a device for measuring longitude at sea, John Harrison. 3D printing pen known as 3-Doder was invented by them, Dilworth, Bogue and Cohen. Next, what do they do? What are these specialists called? Write their names, choose from the box. You can see the answer here. The first one, the study of human history through material remains. The answer is archaeologist, number 1. Next one, I study insects, entomologist, number 2. Number 3, I study living organism that can only be seen under the microscope. You can see here, microbiologist, number 3. Number 4, I study birds, ornithologist. I am a doctor who specializes in mental health, here, psychotic. I study fossils, paleontologist. Number 6. Now using a calculator. How to use a calculator? You can see the picture here. First one, MR, memory recall key. Next one is MC, memory clear, memory subtraction, memory addition, all clear. See, clear entry, decimal key, all here. You can see how to use the calculator. The on key switches on the calculator. You can learn from the function of the different keys of a calculator. Next, you can see mixed bag. Mixed bag, filling the blanks. The questions they give. Which planet do we call the evening star? Venus. Which part of the human body do we call the voice box? Here and next. Which part of the eye changes its size depending on the amount of light absorbed, people? In 3D, what does the letter D stand for? Dimensional. The deficiency of which nutrient causes anemia? Iron. What is the amount of time taken by light from the sun to reach the surface of the earth? 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Which is the hardest substance in the human body? Normal. What do we call plants that eat insects? Carnivorous. You can see the picture here. Next one is true or false. Zoom. Solar Impulse 2 is the first zero-fuel aircraft to run successfully on solar energy. True. The world's first metro system was built in London. True. A barge is a special type of ship that can travel underwater. False. Harley Davidson is a popular motorcycle company based in the United States of America. True. Rafale is the world's largest passenger aeroplane. False. The world's longest train route between China and Madrid, Spain, covering more than 12,000 kilometers and crossing 8 countries. True. RMS Titanic was an American passenger ship that sailed from New York City in 1912. False. The world's first bullet train in Shinkansen runs in Japan. True. Okay, children, I hope you all understand. Today 5 pages for GK where write the answers from the book and learn it. We'll see in the next class.